Hello everybody, my name is Mr.Chanathip Sornprasit No.4 from Chemical Industrial 1/2. Today I'm going to present my video hand tools. So I got 10 hand tools, so let's start it. 1. Micrometer. Micrometer is a measuring tool. This is used to measure thickness and diameter of pieces. 2. Dial caliper. Dial caliper is a measuring tool. This is used to measure inside, outside, and depth of parts. 3. Telescopic gauge. Telescopic gauge is a measuring tool. It's used to transfer distance from parts to measurement tool. 4. Ratchet and socket. Ratchet and socket are a type of fastening tools or wrench. These are used to loosen up or tighten up bolt or nut in tight locations. 5. Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver is a type of fastening tools or screwdriver. This is used to drive Phillips head fastener. 6. Needle nose pliers. Needle nose pliers are a type of fastening tools or pliers. These are used to grip fasteners or parts in tight locations. 7. Hacksaw. Hacksaw is a type of cutting tool. This is used to cut metal or wood. 8. Drill. Drill is a type of cutting tool. This is used to drill holes in material. 9. Snips. Snips are a type of cutting tools. These are used to cut sheet metal. And the last one, 10. Saw-faced hammer. Saw-faced hammer is a type of striking or driving tools. This is used to drive tools and parts without damaging surfaces. Thank you guys so much for watching my presentation. God bless you. Thank you.